Welcome to the GX Dad channel. If you have a GX470 with the rear entertainment system, but you're buying it used, chances are the DVD remote is long gone, and according to the manual, you have no way to use the system without the remote. But I have a secret hack I want to show you that will allow you to use the DVD system without a remote, so stick around. If you've tried to use the DVD system without the remote, you probably already know when you insert a DVD, the rear screen will turn on automatically and you can start watching the DVD. But after a minute, the dreaded warning screen comes up and blocks the whole screen, and you have no way to click through it or get rid of it. Even if you could get past that screen, if your DVD is not autoplay, you have no way to hit play to start the movie from the menu screen. Here's where the hack comes in. Insert the DVD and it will turn on the rear screen. While stopped or in park, pull the emergency brake. Next, hit the disc button on the audio system control and the DVD screen will pop up on the front touchscreen. Here, you can use the touchscreen to click through the warning box and also use the menu tools to navigate the DVD menu. As soon as the handbrake is released, the screen will disappear from the front screen, but will keep playing on the rear. Now your passengers can enjoy videos and you didn't have to fork over $200 to get a new remote. One downside is, if you turn off the car and turn it back on, there's no way to turn on the rear screen without the remote. You have to reinsert the DVD to turn on the rear screen, which means you will lose your place in the video if you're halfway through a DVD. As you may have realized, as a bonus, now you can have a family drive-in movie night anywhere, utilizing both the front and rear screens, complete with a Mark Levinson surround sound system. Just make sure you bring a jumper pack in case you drain the battery too much with that massive Mark Levinson sound system. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if this works on other Toyota or Lexus models. If you like this video, please subscribe and check out my other helpful videos.